guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Designer Khichdi. Thank you for all your lovely comments and views on our very first video. For now, we've come up with the next topic, that is how you can create your own color palette in PowerPoint. So today I have an infographic already made on my slide, but I'm not really enjoying the colors that this infographic have. These are the default colors given to us by Microsoft. So in order to change these colors to something different, I go to design, I click on variants, I go to this more button here, then I click on colors, and I see a lot of other default palettes given to me by Microsoft, but I am not really enjoying these colors. I want a palette created by myself. So for that I need a variety of colors. In order to search those colors, I go to Google Chrome, then I type color palette. Now I click on images. So let's just take the first palette that they've given here, open the image, right click on the image, then copy the image. Now what I'm going to do is take this image to a blank slide and paste it there. Let's just minimize the size of the image and go here. Now I have a new color palette, but how do I save it in PowerPoint? For that, what I need is I need to go to design, then again I will go to variants and more, then colors, and then I go to customize colors. So in order to customize any of these colors, I need to click on one of them. For example, I want to change this accent 1 blue to the very first color of my palette. What I need to do is I will click on this box, then I will go to more colors, then I go to not standard but custom. In the custom tab, I see a color model, that is the RGB color model. This color model is universally accepted and it's mostly used in a lot of technological devices like computers and your TV screens. This is basically a 3 light concept of the red, green and blue light that come together and they form a variety of colors. So this also has a scientific theory about it. If you want to read, you can go check it out on Wikipedia. Coming back to our colors, now what I need to do is I need either the RGB of all my colors here, or I need the hex code, that is a 6-digit universal code for colors, in order to add my palette here. So let's see how can I get my hex code of my color palette. The next step is I go to home, I click on shapes and I take any random shape. For example, I take these squares. I have 5 colors, so I need 5 squares. I'll just copy these 5 squares by clicking on F4. That is the shortcut of copy. Then what I do is, in order to fill these 5 squares with my color palette, I click on the first square, I go to shape fill, I click on the eyedropper tool, and I click on the first color. This process I will repeat with all the boxes and the colors. I go to second box, I click on the second color, likewise to all the shapes. Now I have all my colors in the boxes, but how do I get the hex code of these colors? For that again guys, you have to click on the first box, go to shape fill, go to more fill colors, and here is your hidden hex code or the RGB of your color that you want to add to your color palette. If you are using a newer version of PowerPoint, then the hex code would work. But if you are using an older version of PowerPoint, then you have to take the RGB of all the colors. So I will copy the hex code of this first color from here, and I click on cancel. Then I Control V it to the exact color box so that I don't misplace any of them. Likewise, I do with all the colors. The next step is go to design, again go to variants, click on more, click on colors, go to customize colors here, click on the customize color option. Now you can give it your name. I will write my colors. Then I want to change accent 1 to the first color, so I will click on accent 1. I'll go to more colors and I will just type the hex code of the particular color I want in place of blue. So like I want 571845. Then I click on OK, and this blue automatically changes to this particular color. Likewise, I do with all my colors. After putting all the hex codes, I click on save, and now I have saved my color palette. And you can see that this infographic has already taken most of my colors, but in order to give it all the colors, I can go to design, I can go to colors, and then I can click on my colors. I want to change this gray to the color I have put, that is yellow. See guys, it's so simple. Now my color palette is already there on my infographic. The same way you can make your presentation look better or give it the colors that you like, and you don't have to do the eyedropper, pick and drop all over again, because you already have a saved color palette under your name in PowerPoint. So thanks for watching.